UVG Collective, kamusta kayo dyan? So, maraming salamat po pala sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe. Stay connected po tayo. Okay, sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay? So, baka po energy nyo na masagap ko. So, sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance, Virgo. So, tingnan natin. UVG Collective. Cards for UVG Collective. Tingnan natin. Ano kaya first card? Three of Cups, Celebration, Invitation, Reconciliation, Tower card, Unexpected. Unexpected you! My God! We'll see. Para po sa mga Virgo na nainom dyan, ano po, dahan-dahan lang. Maapaw yung baso eh, maapaw. So, okay. Travel, biyahe, okay. Chillax. Unexpected relaxation ang nakikita ko dito. Invitation, reconciliation with someone, friends. Meron akong travel nakikita. Moving into calmer water with the Six of Swords, Ace of Cups, Tower card. Merong invitation dito. Maybe family member, cousin, co-worker, friendship. There is some reconciliation, celebration, invitation, unexpectedly, and merong pasong mapupuno, but sa ano ng Ace of Cups is self-love. Parang nakikita ko ditong mapapansin or noticeable yung glow. Merong glow. Merong nag-glow ka ba, Virgo? Basta meron ditong blooming kind of energy. Okay. And I think mananotice ng community mo na you are glowing, Virgins. And why is that? With the Ace of Cups, loving yourself, pampering yourself, marami kang pinagkakaabalan sa sarili mo ngayon. Okay, yun ang nakikita ko dito with the Ace of Cups. Okay, or the second scenario is merong mag-i-invite sa'yo ditong lumabas. Okay. Ayain kang lumabas. Tapos may biyahe akong nakikita, Virgo. Unexpectedly with the Tower card. Okay. Ish. Sino yun, Virgo? So, tingnan natin. What else? Oh, Six of Wands. Dalawa na ang 6 mo. Chariot card. Travel nga. Merong invitation dito, Virgo, na travel involved. Okay. Or meron kang sasakyan na gusto. Okay. And I think for some of you, may magpa-purchase ng sasakyan. Bibili ka yata, basta. Merong sasakyan at saka travel ako nakikita. And it's going to be in a public eye. Okay, meaning to say, malalaman ng mga marites. Okay. Malalaman ng mga marites tayo. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Nag-glowing ka, tapos you're doing your own thing here, Virgo. You're always moving forward. very noticeable, parang kapansin-pansin. Kapansin-pansin dito, and people wanna celebrate and people wanna invite you on somewhere kasi meron kang bagong sasakyan. Hello, people. So, tingnan lang natin. Okay, sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay. What else? So, tingnan natin. Ano pa? Five of Cups. Four of Wands. So, meron ditong regretful energy regarding sa foundation, Virgo. Actually, merong false foundation dito. Okay. Or maybe kung titingnan mo yung sarili mo from the past situation, okay. And you are celebrating some here. Nagse-celebrate ka or yung victory mo with the Six of Wands, Four of Wands, Chariot card, okay. Ace of Cups, you are celebrating but you are looking in the past na merong sayang merong energy na sayang. Pero masasabi ko lang, okay, masasabi mong sayang kasi hindi nag-workout or yung gusto mong ini-expect mo hindi false. Kasi ang Tower card, pwede ding i-represent na false foundation, false person, false. Baga peke, fake. So, universe is going to kick your ass. Joke lang. Si universe nang gumalaw with the lightning wheel. Sa ayaw at sa gusto mo talagang boom. Ayaw mong gumalaw ayaw mo Napaka ano nga naman kasi ng change Nakakatakot yung change. But mas nakakatakot kung ang divine na ang gumalaw. Kasi wala kang kung tadhana na talagang mag-ano sa'yo gumalaw, hindi maglaro. Kung tadhana talaga ang mag-i-step in. Okay. Siguro dati hindi mo na pinapansin, okay lang. Ayaw nga ng divine na inaabuso ka. Ayaw ng na, you know what I mean? Na nasa sitwasyon ka na, nagdadalawang isip kang alisan. Okay. Binigyan ka na ng chance, another chance na baguhin. Okay. Now, na very positive ang mga card mo dito. People are celebrating you. People is inviting you. Meron kang travel, bibili ka ng sasakyan, may bahay pa nga dayo. Hindi ko alam kung nagpapagawa ka rin something with the property, okay. For the one, it's all about the home, okay. Pero if you're looking in the past, I don't know if this is in the past. Taribay the Five of Cups. What is this Five of Cups? Ano ba tong Five of Cups dito? Ba't nandito to? Para bang titingnan mo yung sarili mo dati. May mga naiwan. Five of Swords, 55, 66. Double number. So, 55, Five of Swords, mga arguments, or maybe this is the energy of the another person that is connecting with you. Connecting with you or connected with you. Is this a past person or a new person? Tingnan natin. Puro salita lang naman kasi ito Okay. So, nakikita na ng person na to na nag-walk away ka na on sa... Tingnan mo naman itong energy na to. I-feel mo, Virgo. Five of Cups. Tingnan mo naman nag-walk away na. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw na lang ang nag-walk away. Surrender ka na sa mga nito, nonsense. Okay. Or I think meron tong pagsisisi dahil nasobrahan yata. Nasobrahan yata yung pagkanager nito or I don't know. Basta something in that line na may nagsawa na. Nagsawa na sa mga parang, let's just say, ano ba to? Clarify more, the Five of Swords. The Empress card. Oo. Silent. Silent. Ano na lang, ano, intindi mo na lang, ikaw na lang ang iintindi dito. Wala po tayong gender sa energy, okay? So, ikaw na lang ang umintindi dito. Eight of Swords. Someone is stuck in this situation or merong gustong i-stuck ka, okay? But you are glowing here with the... Nag-glow ka dito, Virgo, with the Empress card. Okay. Kung lalaki ka man nanonood nito, ini-embody mo yung pagka-feminine mo. Ibig sabihin, mas malakas ang feminine energy mo, which means mas iniintindi mo na lang, nagsha-shutdown ka na lang, hindi mo na lang pinapansin, ini-ignore mo na lang. Kaya meron ditong walking away. Kung sa makikita mo, nag-walk away ka na lang, okay? Because you know better, Virgo. Okay. With the Empress card. Okay, nakikita mo na dito na stuck ka lang dito sa person na to kung sino man to. Past, present, or future. Basta merong person dito na very regretful sa mga action niya. Okay, this is not your energy, Virgo. Nung Five of Wands, Five of Cups pa lang, I think, nung ito pa lang ang card, hindi ko pa kinaklarify. Kung sa makikita mo, moving forward ka, very victorious, okay, in the public eye, mga achievements mo, okay, matagal kang nag-silent dito with the Tower card. I think divine na ang gumalaw, okay. Pero while ba, kasi sabi ng divine, you're ready. Okay, you're ready. So people are celebrating you, nag-glow ka dito, you are in the public eye, okay. You work on yourself here, Virgo, okay. You put yourself into the situation na calmer water. Ibig ko sabihin, matagal kang, basta parang nag-heal ka yata, nag-heal ka, you work onto yourself, okay, ang dami mong, basta self-care, self-love, okay. So makikita ng publiko kung ano ang ginawa mong self-work. Okay. So, merong sasakyan dito. Tapos makikita mo yung sarili mo before, oh, I've been through a lot. Parang maiisip mo na sa sarili mo na ang dami kong pinagdaanan, shooting. Di biro. Okay, so, nagkaroon ka ng celebration, foundation. Makikita mo yung foundation mo, very victorious. You know what I mean? And then something here na regretful energy na sayang, kind of energy. But now, meron tayong Five of Swords lumabas. Okay, so this is now, nag-switch ang scenario. Seven of Swords, Five of Swords to the Empress card and to the Eight of Swords. So, masasabi kong merong nag-trap sa'yo dito for very long time. Okay. Hindi, pero nag-grow ka pa rin kahit papaano kasi ang hirap, parang nahirapan kang, sa nakikita ko dito with the Empress card, ang dami kasi pinagdaanan ng Empress card, lahat ng pagsubok. Nilunon niya ng buong buo. Okay. The Empress card, kaya siya nahubog, kaya siya na-forge ng Empress, na tinawag siya na Empress because sa dami ng pinagdaanan niya, sa saring experiences, okay. And some point, someone here na talagang akala na matatrap ka pa niya or what or something na gusto niya pang pero ikaw dito at the other hand, no, sige, intindihin na lang kita. Kung ikaw ay lalaking nanonood nito, Virgo, mataas ang feminine side mo, ibig sabihin, inaano mo na lang, iniintindi mo na lang. You know what I mean? Eight of Pentacles gustong lumabas. So, you are working on something here, Virgo. Instead na makinig ka dito sa mga kung ano man ang gusto mong nangyaring drama niyan. Ace of Swords. Katotohanan. Okay, Nine of Wands, Wounded Warrior. Hindi biro eh. Family card and the reverse. And the Page of Wands. Kung sa makikita mo dito, Virgo, merong family card. Pero, in the reverse siya. For some of you, namimiss ka ng someone dito. Kung makikita mo yan, Virgo. Mm. Kung makikita mo yan, may nakakamiss sa'yo dito. Okay. Itong energy ng card na to in the reverse. Merong separation when it regards to family. Okay. So, merong communication coming in, merong good news coming in. Okay. Kaya siguro may travel. Ewan ko. You are very busy. Kung nakita ko kanina yung Eight of Pentacles. Okay. You are working through something here yourself, your finances, your goal, your long-term plan. Okay. Kasi meron kang Four of Wands, Ace of Cups, meaning home. Ang dami mo pinagdaanan with the Empress card. Tapos nabuhol-buhol ka pa dito sa kung sino man yung energy na yan na person na yan. Is that work? Workplace man yan? Relationship man yan na nag-trap sa'yo for a very long time? Friendship? I don't know. But basta there is something there na inintindi mo na lang. But at the same time, ang Empress card is hindi na siya naghihintay ng validation ng iba. Umabot na siya sa punto kaya naging Empress na siya. Hindi siya maghihintay ng kahit na anong validation na kahit kanino. Okay. So, kung dati ganun siya before, ano na siya, ano na siya ang tawag niyan, expert na siya sa mga galawan ng taong nakapalibot sa kanya. Kaya iniintindi niya na lang, okay. So, Empress card is very understanding. Nakita niya na kung anong tunay na kulay ng taong nasa paikot niya. Kaya instead na magalit or instead na patulan, umuupo na lang siya sa trono niya at masasabi niya sa sarili niya ngayon ako, kilala ko sarili ko. Bahala kayo dyan. Okay, pero ginagawa mo pa rin siya with mabait kind of energy pa rin, with compassion pa rin, kahit pa paano. Okay. Despite ng mga drama nilang gustong mangyari, gusto ka lang i-stuck dito kind of thing. Okay. Pero may very regretful dito kasi nakikitang hindi ka na naghihintay ng validation or hindi ka na nagre-react. Okay, sa mga kung ano man ang gusto niyang mangyari. Walk away ka na lang or ignore or something pero sending love pa rin kahit pa paano, di ba? Di ba, Virgo? Oh my God. Okay, basta dito sa part na to, meron kang Ace. Tignan mo, tumapat ang Ace of Cups sa Ace of Swords. Okay, meron ka talaga ditong wino-workout, Virgo. Regarding sa property, look at that, Virgo. Okay. So, as I said, wounded warrior ka dito. Okay, very defensive ka na. Nine of Wands. Okay. Four of Wands kasi meron ka ditong goal eh. Okay. Pero may mga taong gustong mag-invite sa'yo. Very unexpectedly. May mga basong mapupuno sa mga umiinom dyan. Okay. And merong public eye, merong travel, may biyahe. Okay. But success is here. Ang lakas kasi Six of Wands, sorry, and the Six of Swords moving into victory. Okay. If you are still in the process, Virgo, that's fine. Merong separation ng family dito. May nakakamiss sa'yo dito. Okay. Pero merong message incoming na magiging masaya ka. This is a good news. Or basta communication na mapapangiti ka. Virgo, one of your family member or I don't know if you are a Virgo na may anak na malayo, merong separation, merong distance. Someone, basta merong travel dito. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw magta-travel papunta sa kanila or sila magta-travel papunta sa iyo. Basta something in that line. Okay. So, tingnan natin what else. Mga idea mo dito, Virgo. Meron ka dito mga business idea or something. I don't know. Basta idea. Something idea. Four of Wands is a foundation. Okay. Home. It can represent marriage as well, Virgo. But I don't know. I'm not sure. But anyway, just take how it's resonate. Okay. Huwag niyo pong pilitin kung hindi ka kasya. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Ten of Pentacles. Sabi ko na nga ba, meron ka ditong ano eh, Six of Cups. May nakakamiss nga sa'yo, nostalgic card, okay. Pero nakikita nila as you are limited. I mean, may limitation dito. Hindi ko alam. Physically, mentally, emotionally, time, effort, something. Merong nakakamiss sa'yo dito kasi baka yung communication is not that much, okay. As I said, meron kang tinatrabaho dito eh. Or baka hindi ka napilitan, I mean talagang pinush ka ng divine na gumalaw, you know what I mean? Kasi ang daming freebies, freebies, ang daming reward, Virgo, Ten of Pentacles, Six of Wands, the Chariot card, Four of Wands, Ace of Swords, wow! Ko na masasabi, together with the Empress card, you can do it, Virgo. Someone is nostalgic here about the family, Virgo. Ten of Pentacles. Family card is in the reverse. Okay, so merong communication coming in regarding sa family. Okay, and then you are creating some generational wealth here, Virgo. Generational wealth. Okay, yung mga ideas mo nakahilira siya. O, tingnan kung makikita mo. Okay, so maybe something in property, business, multiple source of income. Okay. Di ko alam kung anong career meron ka, but it's growing, Virgo. It's growing. May nag-grow dito. Okay. Five of Pentacles, exactly. Meron gustong umalis dito feeling left out, feeling alone. Hindi ko alam kung family member, kids, or something in that line. Okay. Feeling nostalgic. Okay. And you are coming out on this energy. Five of Pentacles in the reverse. Ang five of Pentacles kasi upright, um, financially drained, feeling left out, feeling isolated, but it's in the reverse. So, merong nakakamiss sa'yo dito, merong communication coming in regarding sa something with the page of wands. Virgo, this is a good news. Okay. With the Ten of Pentacles, which means merong increase. Okay. Merong promotion, basta merong increase. Merong level up when it comes to your finances, Virgo. And meron ding mga communication dito from people in the past, okay? Or maybe family member na nakikitang ang busy-busy mo masyado. Okay. Sa going on ba naman, tingnan mo. Okay. And someone will break the silence here, okay, Virgo. So, kasi some of you or some of the family member of Virgo na malapit sa puso nyo is piniperceive ka nila as busy, and then merong communication coming in, nami-miss lang isa't isa. Okay, I mean, maybe isa't isa, but maraming nakakamiss sa'yo dito, Virgo. Okay. Family, friends, in some point, okay. And you are moving out of the financially drained kind of thing. Meron ka dito, dami pera, pautang naman. What else for my Virgos collective? Tamo nung nag-break free ka dito sa kung ano man yung drama na yan. Ganda, ang dami mong magagandang nangyari dito. Okay. Yung communication mo sa family mo is like, it will getting stronger and stronger with the Ten of Cups, ay Ten of Pentacles. Okay. Something about a home, Virgo. Tsaka sasakyan. Death card. Definitely, you are moving out into this situation, Virgo, with the Five of Pentacles. That card is a big transformation card. Okay. Someone here is feeling nostalgia, Virgo. And may nakakakita sa'yo dito na you are moving out yourself. Inaalis mo yung sarili mo sa isolation and feeling drained financially, emotionally, mentally. You are, sabi ko sa'yo, nag-glow ka dito eh. You're glowing. Knight of Swords. So, expect some communication about changes, about, pagbabago, ganito, nagbago ka na, or something in that line. Makakarinig ka ng mga ganun. Laki ng pagbabago mo ganyan, ganyan. You know what I mean, Virgo? With the Ace of Pentacles, hell no. Dami, Virgo. Ace of Pentacles and the Nine of Swords. So, merong stress out dito na you are getting what you want, Virgo. Definitely, you are getting what you want. I mean, ibig ko sabihin lahat ng desire mo, lahat ng vision mo sa utak mo for a very long time. Okay. Ang dami mga opportunity dito. Ten of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, Ace of Cups, self-love, victory card, may sasakyan, may bahay. Wow, may mga idea. Okay. So you're busy. That's why with the Nine of Wands, pinipili mo lang kung sinong pinapapasok mo dito with the Empress card. Kasi you know what I mean? At least iniintindi pa rin ni Empress. Pero ang Empress is hindi siya maghahantay ng validation ng iba. Tamo, ayaw na akong pasalitain. Excuse me. Okay, so merong mga new opportunity dito. But be careful sometimes, Virgo, kasi meron ditong fertility. Okay, para po sa mga feminine or mga babaeng nanonood dyan, may fertility po tayo dito na gusto kang itrap yata or something in that line. Okay. But ikaw naman, kung ikaw naman ang lalaki na nanonood nito, Virgo, be careful kay baka gusto kang itrap dito ng I'm pregnant. So, ikaw ang ama. Okay, so, but if this is in finances, I think this is too much. Not too much. I think too much. Kasi bakit? Mamamana to ng mga apo mo sa tuhod or sa apo mo sa dapa-dapa. Okay. So, lahat ng mga pinaghirapan mo dito, andito naman ang divine. You are divinely guided, Virgo, about this journey. Okay, you are moving out into this drain financially, drain mentally, drain emotionally. Tingnan mo naman, nag-overflow ang Ace of Cups, self-love, ideas mo is overflowing, Ace of Pentacles, overflowing, victory card. People wanna celebrate you, okay? And pili na lang kung sino ang pinapapasok mo dito. Even family members, siblings, cousins, friends, coworker, ano ka na, meron kang defensive mechanism dito, meron kang binild na ano dito para sa sarili mo, okay. So, 8 of Wands, communication and action, someone expect some call, message, email, okay. Regarding sa finances, okay, meron dito nai-stress out because you are getting what you want, okay. Ikaw ang nag-create ng changes dito na para ma-achieve mo kung anong dapat mong ma-achieve one by one, okay? You are going to be in the public eye if you are still in the process, Virgo. Kung nasa proseso ka pa, you're going to get it. Nakikita mo na ang the light at the end of the tunnel, okay? Kung ikaw ang Virgo na magsisimula pa lang, ito ang ending. Lakas ng achievement, Tapos meron dito nai-stress out tol. May nai-stress out dito kasi nakikitang ano bukod sa glowing ka na, self-love ka na, okay. Baka nga meron ka pang mga suitors dito. Kasi the more na focus ka on yourself, the more na marami kang ma-attract na the more na maraming magsisisi. For people from the past, mga new person naman talaga bagang ma-attract sa energy mo. Wag naman sana yung mga toxic. Kasi the more na heal ka na, saka naman magsisipasukan yung mga toxic person na gustong kumabit sa'yo. Okay, what else? 3 cards na lang. The Moon card, okay. The Moon card, the 3 of Wands, And the Ten of Cups, Virgo, lahat ng positive cards na kuha mo. Eight of Pentacles, working your ass off day and night. Meron ako ditong nakitang night owl din. Okay, so yung creativity mo is, wow. I think nakikita kita ditong with the with the Three of Wands, meron kang hinihintay. Okay, working night owl. With the moon card, okay, secretively, meron ka ditong mga gustong, may mga with the ace of swords, may mga idea ka dito, okay. Maybe internet, affiliate, marketing, ewan ko, something in that line, crypto, Bitcoin, I don't know. Basta something in that line. Okay, Virgo. You are working at night, nakikita ko dito. Tingnan mo naman, you are very creative, or maybe ikaw ay night shift, or maybe double lang trabaho mo. I don't know, you are, you know, basta hard workaholic. Emotionally fulfilled ka sa ganong meron kang hinihintay dito, okay. And deep inside, sa loob-loob mo, Virgo, with the Ten of Cups, magkakaroon ka ng emotionally fulfilling kind of energy when it comes to your creative endeavors. Sa mga creativity mo, productivity mo, makikita mo ang resulta, o baka yun ang hinihintay mo dito, and you're very secretive about it. Okay, kung saan manggagaling ang mga finances mo, Ace of Pentacles, saan manggagaling yan, multiple source of income, Virgo. You are working something out here, night owl, hanggang gabi, matulog ka naman, kaya siguro meron tayo ditong, okay, so mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time. Pero para po sa mga Virgo na workaholic, meron pong parating na kailangan yung fokusan dito, kasi yun ang maghahatid sa inyo ng multiple source of income, Virgo. Very positive yan. But you need to focus on yourself first. What you eat, what you drink, I don't know. Basta what you watch. Kung ano pinapanood mo, or ano ang pinapasok mo sa utak mo, yun ang nakikita ko dito. Why is that with the moon card? Okay, and ang creativity mo, kaya meron ka anxiety. Baka ikaw lang to. Anxiety card. Filter sa mga gusto ko lang ilabas tong nasa isip ko na senaryo sa nakikita ko sa cards. Be careful what you watch, Virgo. Meaning to say, dapat meron kang filter sa mind mo, kung halimbawa mga balita, ganito, specifically balita. Okay. Na ganito news, na ganyan. Mag-overthink ka lang, wag ka na lang kayang manood ng balita. Okay, basta something news here na napapaisip ka, nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety, okay. Or hindi ka makatulog kasi may baka, maybe, ganon. So, wag ka na lang manood ng balita. Hindi ko naman sinabing, paano malalaman ang balita? Kung ano nangyayari, di ba? Basta, something hindi ko merong something pa ditong papasok sa about regarding sa trabaho mo. May gusto pa ditong hopeless romantic kayo. Ay, Virgo. Basta yun lang masasabi ko about sa balita. Huwag ka na lang manonood kasi may mga false report din dyan eh. False report, false alarm. Okay. So, kung ano man ang mga pinapanood mo, huwag ka maniwala basta-basta. Kailangan mo ng filter. Kasi isa yan sa magpapaudlot sa success mo na naghihintay sa'yo. Ang dami, Ten of Pentacles, sasakyan, bahay, property, self-love. Kung love man, nag-expect ka ng love, or hindi ka man nag-expect pero may darating with may communication coming in, taking action, oh my God, emotionally fulfilled, financially fulfilled. Saan ka pa? Victory card, people know you. I mean, meron kang multiple source of income, Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, Ace of Cups. Virgo. Okay, huwag ka nang magpadala sa energy na ganito. Okay, kung ano man ang mga nakikita mo sa paikot mo, wag kang makikihalubilo sa mga nega. Okay, na alam mong nega. Okay, so tingnan natin anong advice. Don't let your past hold you back. As I said, Virgo, ang dami nag-aantay. Oh, my God. Expect some powerful change with the death card. Sabi ko na you're moving out into this. This is your time, Virgo. Timeline mo. Nasa timeline ka. Pay attention. Okay, so, okay. Nothing will come of this situation. Walang mangyayari kung pag-aano ka dito. Don't let your past hold you back. Meron kasing gustong mag-stuck sa'yo dito eh. I-stuck ka siguro mentally, physically, emotionally, i-gaslight ka or something. You know what I mean? Virgo, expect some powerful change. Tingnan mo naman. Okay. So, nothing will come into the situation from the people na alam mong i-stuck ka lang. Okay. So, bottom of the deck, meron tayong have faith in your dreams, Virgo. Basta don't let your past hold you back. As I said kanina, nung hindi pa lumalabas to, parang tinitingnan mo yung sarili mo before. Okay. Kung saan ka before. Okay, pero hindi mo kailangan tingnan yung sarili mo before kasi kung ano man yung mga before, na-stuck ka lang. Okay. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. So, tingnan natin kung anong angel message number mo. Angel message number for my Virgo, please. Ganda ng ano mo, tatlong ace lumabas eh. Ace of Cups, Ace of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, Ten of Pentacles. Unsa man day. Meron ka pang Chariot card, sasakyan, victory, Six of Wands, public eye. People are going to celebrate you. This is very unexpected. Okay. Meron ka ditong, basta night owl, nakikita ko nag-i-internet ka dito or something. Basta, meron ka ditong mga kini-create, Virgo, during the night. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung anong angel message number. Google mo siya, okay? Baka makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. So, meron kang 7. Meron kang 3, 7, 3. Meron kang Jack Ancestor. Okay. 7, 3. Meron kang King Ancestor din. Dalawa sila, King, King. Oh, meron kang 7, 3, 6. 736 Virgo, i-google mo siya. Okay, angel message number 736. Okay, baka may mensahe ka dyan. So, this is what I have for you, Virgo. Sana po ay nakaresonate. Sa mga hindi pa makaresonate, better luck next time po. Sa mga makakaresonate, thank you po in advance. So, this is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.